everyone, I am Jala. In this video, I'll speak about the difference between have and have got. If you are not subscriber yet, please subscribe to my channel for more free videos, for more lessons. So let's get started. Have and have got have the same meaning. So they mean possess, own. We can say I have a family. We can also say I have got a family. I have a problem or I have got a problem. We use both of them for illnesses, for pains. For example, I have got a pain in my stomach or I have a pain in my stomach. I have got a headache or I have a headache. Both of them can't be used in the present continuous when they mean possess. We can't say I am having a headache or I am having got a headache. We can use them in the present simple. We say I have a headache or I have got a headache. We can't say I am having a car or I am having got a car. We can use them in the present simple. We can say I have a car or I have got a car. We can also use have for many actions and experiences. For example, have a shower, have a bath, have a cup of coffee, have a dream, have an accident, have fun, have trouble, have a nice time, have a holiday. For example, I am having dinner with my family. I have fun every day. We are having a party today. She's having a shower. But don't use have got for these actions. Don't say have got breakfast, have got an accident, have got a cup of coffee. Bye. I hope you have a nice time. But don't say I hope you have got a nice time. We have an accident very often. Don't say we have got an accident very often. The negative and question forms of have and have got are different. We say I have got a sister. You have got a sister. She has got a sister. In negative, we say I have not got a sister. She has not got a sister. Or I haven't got. She hasn't got. In question, we say have you got a sister? Has she got a sister? We usually use have got for present. We don't usually say I had got. We don't use have got in the past simple. We usually use have got for present, but have is used in different tense forms. In present simple, we say I have a car. You have a car. She has a car. In negative, we say I do not have a car. You do not have a car. She does not have a car. In question, we say do you have a car? Does she have a car? Remember, we don't say does she has a car? We don't use has when we say does. If we want to answer, we say yes, I do or no, I don't. Yes, she does or no, she doesn't. In the past simple, we say I had a car. You had a car. She had a car. In negative, we say I didn't have a car. You didn't have a car. She didn't have a car. Remember, when we say didn't, we don't use had. Instead, we say have. We don't say I didn't had a car. We say I didn't have a car. In question, we say did I have a car? Did you have a car? Did she have a car? If we want to answer, we say yes, I did or no, I didn't. yes, she did, or no, she didn't. Remember, don't say, did she had a car? When we use did, we don't say had. We say, did she have a car? In the future simple, we say, I will have a car. You will have a car. She will have a car. Or we can say, I'll have a car. You'll have a car. She'll have a car. In negative, we say, I will not have a car, or I won't have a car. She will not have a car, or she won't have a car. In question, we say, will I have a car? Will you have a car? Will she have a car? If we want to answer, we say, yes, I will, or no, I won't. Yes, she will, or no, she won't. Never have trouble. I hope you have fun while watching my videos. Have a nice time. See you next time.